Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a box opening today with my fancy box opening scissors. I bought this doll because I wanted some I've always loved boy dolls. Since I was a kid, I always had boy dolls. I had a boy baby doll and a boy young doll that I played with quite a lot as a child. And I found these on eBay, this and my Harry Potter boy. And I picked out Harry Potter and I went back and I got this one because it's going to kind of represent Deron.
Oh.
We got a lot going on here. Let me double check, make sure there's nothing else in the box. This was an eBay find and a very good deal. Very pleased to have found him. And isn't that handy? They click back down to cut.
Now I have visions of a voodoo doll here. You talk about
Now there's an idea.
If I start having stabbing pains in my back or something, I'm going to come look for you.
Let's see how he looks. I just made jeans this morning for my Harry Potter doll. Oh, I like him. Oh, yeah, I really like him. Look at his eyebrows. I noticed this in the sale. He makes my custom Blythes look better because he has brothers, but not necessarily twin eyebrows, unless he's like lifting one at the girls. I don't know. He is 17 inches tall. I cannot think of the name. I'll have to put that in the description. I can't think of the name that he had. Let's see how articulated he is. Can he put his arm around a girl? Oops, I got it all turned upside down and backwards now. Yep.
He's double jointed.
Oh yeah, he's really nice. Yeah, I like that. And his legs, he could ride a narrow horse. I like his hair. I like that hair a lot.
He's got hair.
Yeah. Well, it's a younger you.
Oh, yeah.
When we first hooked up, you had hair.
I did.
Yeah. I like him. I like him a lot. He's 17 inches tall. Remember, she's on a stand. He's this much taller. He's going to look very nice with my, get a close-up of their faces. His head is smaller. His head is more correct for his body. I like his broad shoulders, too. They're like yours. Her head is bigger, but her head is bigger. Okay, this is a PS. I always say open everything on camera. That way, if something is wrong, you have it on camera that it came that way. A lot of times, sellers, especially AliExpress, will tell you that, well, maybe you did that. No. So what I'm doing is I'm opening a book on camera. I thought you might like to see. We just got a Great Pyrenees puppy. I bought an older book. I got a bookmark with that. I like the older books because they're very informative. They give the standard for the breed, and they have good advice in them. The newer books are so stupid. If you have a tick, take them to the vet. If you don't know how to pull a tick off a cat or a dog, well, cats don't really get ticks. Not often, anyway. You shouldn't have a dog. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.